Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fill out a Chase money order. Once you have the money order in front of you, locate the section marked Pay to the order of or Payee. On that line, write the full name of the person or business you intend to pay. This is very important because only that named recipient can cash or deposit the money order later. Be sure to spell the name clearly and correctly. Next, find the From, Purchaser, Sender, or Remitter field. Here, you should write your full name and often your address. This identifies who is sending the payment and creates a record in case there is any question later. If you are making a payment to a service provider or business and you have an account number with them, look for a field labeled Account, Payment For, or Memo. Write your account number or invoice number there so that your payment is correctly applied. Now look for the signature line, generally labeled Purchaser's Signature or simply Signature. Sign your name on the front of the money order. Do not sign the back, as the back is reserved for the recipient when they cash or deposit it. After completing the money order, keep the detachable receipt section for your records. Thanks for watching.